I'm going to show you 4 specific plants here today and how do you get the oil from them. Okay, so if you grew this would be rosemary, comes from a grocery store, comes from a pot. The oil is actually inside, okay? So what you would do, and I'm gonna just take a piece, and you're gonna take a piece. You're welcome. And we're gonna rub it in our hands. And the heat from your hands combined with the oil, now you smell your hands. Can you smell that?
I can smell it, yeah.
Excellent. Is it strong?
No, it's not strong. But I can pick up on this end.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase your sense of smell by doing that, if you were gonna use herbs. Now, essential oils are so much more concentrated. There's thousands of pounds of jasmine flower that go into that bottle, okay? For plants and herbs, they're much finer. So for people who have a really big sensitivity and they want to build up, plants are really helpful. We should wash our hands because what you're going to do is take chamomile, but we're going to do this through our fingers instead of our hands, okay? You just need a little bit. This one's really powerful. And this grows as an herb. You can pick it up, chamomile tea. And all you're going to do is put it on your fingers and rub it in your fingers. Smell your fingers. Can you smell that? Mm-hmm. So the plant oil, it transfers over onto your skin. That's the interesting part about essential oil scent, is it actually will transfer. So you can just smell this. Simple. At one time, we used to smell everything. You go to the grocery store and that's how you determined how you bought your produce. That's how you determined whether your fish is fresh, whether your meat is fresh, is the smell. Smell is very important for the engagement of quality, for the engagement of our mind. If you smelled smoke, you would know there was a danger element, and it adds an element of pleasure. Okay, so with lime oil, we're gonna make a mess, and I'm gonna use a beaker and we're gonna make a mess. Because the oil is actually in the rind. So you have to squeeze the rind and it comes out on your fingers. So squeeze the rind. So pinch this, pinch the actual, yeah. It's the oil is not in the juice, it's in the rind. Okay. You smell it? Mm-hmm. Is it stronger?
It is strong.
Because you said lemon was stronger. Mm-hmm. So the citruses are something that you can smell well.
I can smell these really well, yeah.
Interesting. Okay. So those are basically the various different ways of smelling. Okay, so if you're in the garden or you're cooking with your mom, I want you to smell the raw materials, okay? Mm-hmm. In the smell training, do twice a day in the morning and twice at night. And if we do 4, what you're doing is you're changing up because we're using 4 aromatic families. We have citrus notes, we have floral notes, we have coniferous notes, and we have what are called herbal or herbaceous notes. Okay? Mm-hmm. Are you comfortable?
I am comfortable, yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I can smell more of the citrus and the floral because I smell that more often every day.
Okay, well, because you're here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks very much. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.